Hello children, welcome to Vamsi's My School, 4th class English, lesson 1, glossary part. Let us see the meanings children. Nectar. Nectar means a sweet liquid produced by plants and collected by bees. Bees means like honey bee, butterflies, like that. Next, shelter. A place that protects one from bad weather, like from very sun, hot weather, rainy season and winter, like that. Pebbles. Pebbles are just like small stones. Dismay. A feeling of unhappiness and disappointment. Something if you expect which will not be done, then you feel disappointed. So that is called dismay. Chased, ran after. Ran after means someone or something to catch. Understand? Chased. Right? So the glossary part completed. One more time I am repeating. Once you go through, put your finger where you are reading. Fine? So first one is nectar, a sweet liquid produced by plants and collected by bees. Shelter, a place that protects one from bad weather. Pebbles, small stones. Dismay, a feeling of unhappiness and disappointment. Chased, ran after someone or something to catch. Now, let us come for the comprehension part. Fill in the blanks. The butterflies lived in a... This one you have to complete children. And the next class we will discuss. Butterflies suck dash from flowers. What do they suck? That is also you have to write. The rain hit the dash like pebbles. So, the rain came upon what? Butterflies. Very good. Dash was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. Who is there behind the clouds? Sun. Very good. Now, the butterflies lived in a garden. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Rain hit, what is that? The butterflies like pebbles. Sun was watching butterflies from behind the clouds. Okay. Now, here see vocabulary. Now here, observe the underlined words in the given sentences. I won't stay here sending away my friends in dismay, replied white butterfly. 3 butterflies lived in the garden. These are 2 sentences, children. In sentence 1, the word butterfly denotes how many? Only one butterfly. So, the noun butterfly is singular. In sentence 2, the word butterflies denotes more than one butterfly. So, the noun butterflies is plural. Do you understand? Butterfly is noun, but here singular noun, only butterfly, so that this is plural noun. So, this is one of the important point which you have to understand. Now, here you observe. Find the plural form of the singular nouns from the reading text. Write in the table. They have given flower, flowers, pebble, pebbles, fellow, fellows, petal, petals, cloud, clouds, wing, wings, butterfly, butterflies. But here spellings give very important, take important role. Okay. Singular nouns. Here see, singular nouns form their plurals by adding s. What is that? S or EES. S, comma ES or IES. So, butterflies, once I will show you. Here, IES was added. Do you understand, children? Okay. So, here like that, butterflies. Wing, only for wing what will be added? Only S will be added. This is also good exercise. Activity. Now you have to fill up this. Okay. In the next class, this box, page number 5. See once. Page number 5. As well as in the page number 5, singular plurals are there and also box is there. This one we will fill up in the next class. Why I am leaving this empty? Because children, first you try. Do you understand what I am telling? First you try to complete this. In the next video I will show you the answers. Clear? Right. I am explaining you to do. Okay. Now this is the grammar part. Read the sentence taken from the text. The rain came down like pebbles on the butterflies. Came down. See? Read some more sentences like this. Honey is wholesome food and good for health. You know honey? Do you like honey to take? Yes. Gold is a precious metal. See? Gold is a precious, valuable metal. We get wood from trees. What we get? Wood from trees. We should drink clean water. You know, clean water only are you drinking? Hot water? Very good. We get wool from sheep. Wool. Okay. Sweaters, mufflers like that. We will prepare with the wool. I don't eat meat. Meat means the flesh of the animals. Houses are built using bricks and cement. So bricks and cement. So what this honey, gold, wood, water, wool, meat, bricks and cement? Now let us see. The nouns which are underlined above are made of a metal or substance, or you can say material also. So such nouns are called material nouns. So that's what I told you. For what these nouns are called, children? Material nouns. Okay. Here definition they have given. See, a material noun is the name of a metal or substance from which a thing is made. So this is the definition of the material noun. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. So in this video you have completely noticed up to what is this, page number 6 up to here. Okay. And let us complete this activity also, so that this page will be. Underline the material nouns in the sentences given below. Silver is used to make jewelry. Okay, here where is the material noun? That you have to underline. I told you, no? These exercises I will not tell now. I will explain you. You finish it off. Afterwards, you check your answers in the next video. Clear, children? So I am not giving you answers right away. Only I am giving you explanation. See, the hen lays eggs. Okay. Here where is the material you have to. I use coconut oil for my hair. Even I to use. I get new clothes on my birthday. New clothes. Drink milk for good health. Are you drinking, children? Yeah, every day you have to drink. My sister likes cheese. What she likes? Oh, cheese, very tasty. Iron is used in constructions, buildings, bridges, etc. My father has a mobile phone. Very good. So until page 6 we have completed activity part, grammar part and all. So these exercises in the next video I will show you the answers. So you finish it off in the meanwhile and check the answers with the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Vamsi's My School and do share it, bell button. You press on the bell button, children. Thank you. Bye bye.